Hi, I'm Rashmi. I'm a homemaker, mom of two beautiful daughters. I came here last 10 days back. I was walking through this road and found this preferred dental and came here. I was having pain in my whole dental problem. I was having lots of problem in my teeth. Then I came here in one sitting. I got my root canal done. When the numbness was gone, I felt so good, so better. And after the crowning, even it's right now it's temporary, but I'm feeling very confident. I can chew food. From the last 2 years, I was not able to chew anything from this side because of this sensitive tooth and pain and the cavity. But I'm feeling really very happy. I feel like it's miracle. Thank you.